Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a statement of unmatched craftsmanship, timeless elegance, and cutting-edge innovation. In a world where everything moves fast, Rolls-Royce reminds us that true luxury is never rushed. The Phantom continues to define what it means to travel in ultimate comfort and prestige. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Phantom, it's clear that this isn't just another car. The silhouette remains grand and unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The iconic Pantheon grille stands tall and proud, now subtly illuminated to add presence even at night. The spirit of ecstasy sits proudly above it, sculpted with greater detail than ever before. Every line on the Phantom's body has been carefully considered, with the goal of blending heritage with a modern edge. The result is a car that looks both timeless and futuristic. Step inside, and the atmosphere transforms completely. The cabin is more than an interior, it's a sanctuary. Hand-stitched leather, rare wood veneers, and metal accents come together in perfect harmony. The smell, the silence, the softness of every surface, it all speaks to the level of detail Rolls-Royce puts into each car. Every Phantom is built to the exact specifications of its owner. Want your own monogram in the door panel or a custom star constellation in the roof lining? Rolls-Royce will make it happen. Technology in the 2025 Phantom is seamlessly integrated, enhancing the driving experience without ever being intrusive. A hidden digital display emerges only when needed, while passengers in the rear seats enjoy individual touchscreens, massage functions, and a premium audio experience that rivals the best concert halls. Connectivity and convenience are at your fingertips, but the true luxury lies in the serenity the car offers. Even at highway speeds, the cabin remains almost completely silent thanks to nearly 300 pounds of sound insulation and specially developed tires. Under the hood, the Phantom continues with a 6.75-liter V12 engine. It's not about speed, though it has plenty of it, it's about effortless power. The engine delivers smooth, near-silent acceleration with a whisper, making every journey feel graceful and composed. The updated satellite-aided transmission predicts the road ahead, ensuring the smoothest gear changes possible. This car doesn't just drive, it glides. For those lucky enough to be driven rather than drive, the rear seat experience is simply unmatched. Legroom is generous, and the seats recline with an elegance that mirrors a private jet. You'll find folding tables, champagne coolers, and umbrellas hidden in the doors. Every touchpoint is refined to perfection. This is luxury redefined for a new era, where comfort is customized and silence is the ultimate feature. Sustainability also finds its way into the 2025 Phantom, with Rolls-Royce introducing more ethically sourced materials and considering low-emission production methods, though the Phantom remains a V12-powered machine. The brand understands that sustainability and luxury can coexist, and this model starts to show what that future might look like. Owning a Phantom is about more than transportation. It's a declaration. It says you value tradition, excellence, and the art of craftsmanship in a world obsessed with the next big thing. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom doesn't chase trends, it sets the tone. For those who demand the best without compromise, there is simply nothing else like it. If you're ever fortunate enough to sit inside one or even catch a glimpse as it rolls by, you'll understand. The Phantom isn't just built. It's born. A creation that reminds us that true luxury is eternal. We'll see you next video.